Hello everyone, in front of me I have REALME 14T 5G, and in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you best tricks for beginners, so brace yourself and watch this video. As a trusted source in tech tutorials, I can tell you that I was holding a lot of smartphones and I can show you the best tricks for beginners. I will show you all of the features that you should know about after buying a smartphone. I will make your life easier and obviously help you with a lot of issues that may occur while using this smartphone as your first device. So let's move on to the basic stuff. At first, let's open the settings, and first what you're gonna do is open the display and brightness and scroll down and open the screen refresh rate. Why you do that? Because as a default you will have auto select. So if you have a low battery power and your consumption battery is too high, then your smartphone will switch between screen refreshing rates based on this information. So you can have 120 Hz and then you can have 60 Hz, and your smartphone will looks worse because the animation will be lagged and will hang. So make sure that you have here the high option enabled, and it gives you the best smoothness, the best animations and operations. You can see it on the preview here, it is clearly visible, so stick with a high option in here. And let's get back to the previous page, because we have to, of course, make the best tricks for beginners on this device. Now decide if you want to enable the screen attention, keeps your screen on when you are looking at it. Very helpful. I think you should enable it. I just don't, because I don't know why. I'm not gonna talk about it. Alright, let's make sure I'm doing it, yeah, for you or not. Now get to the auto screen off. This is the time after which your device goes off, goes off lock in. I'm using 10 minutes because I'm recording this video and it's helpful for me, but most of the users chooses something between 30 seconds and 2 minutes. That allows you to use your smartphone in a good way. I think you can decide for yourself because it is a very easy option. Yeah, so auto rotate is not important for you. You can switch it on or off. What is important for you as a beginner is a font. You can change the style in here. You can get in here, click more to see more styles for your device. You can start a free trial. You can use a paid one or a free one, depends on your preferences obviously. After downloading the style you can choose it in here. Now move on, you can change a font size for your font and font weight, or you can use adaptive font weight, depends on your needs obviously. You can see a preview of your text in here while you're changing it, so this is very good option. Now you have to press apply to confirm the changes. What is important as a beginner is the auto brightness, because it detects lights around you, so it is easier to use your smartphone, because you don't need every time to open tab menu and change manually the brightness. So it may help you, but for me it's not that important. I like to change it manually. Doesn't matter. Let's get back to the previous page and to the more important things. So get into the accessibility and convenience, and then get into the screenshot. Let's make sure that you enable all of these free features, because it allows you to take a screenshot in these 3 ways, which is very helpful and satisfying, because 3 finger swipe by. Look at this, that's the best idea ever. Of course, then you will be able to Customize your screenshot, so if you want to hide or show your status bar and navigation bar, so status bar is in here on the top and navigation is the three buttons. If you want to have it on a screenshot or not, if you want to enable the screenshot sound or not have a notifications, depends of your needs obviously. And in here we have a preview of our screenshot. We can switch it to the left or right, or you can delete original image after editing. That would be all for these settings, I guess. Let's move on and actually get into the system and update and decide the most important thing about the moving through your smartphone is system navigation. For some people gestures are better, for some people like me the buttons are better. All depends of your preferences and how you like to move through your smartphone. If you choose the buttons, then you will be able to choose the layout for your buttons. If you choose gestures, then you will have additional features that you can set up for your better navigation. Like I said, I like three buttons, so I will stick with that. So if you choose the system navigation and you for some reason didn't set up the language and region or the date and time, so this is a time for it, you can get in here and choose any language you wish to use. And region, I don't know why I'm in Spain, but it doesn't important. Let's get into the date and time, and in here we can choose a time format, the time zone, and if we want to use a dual clock or not. So this is also very important as a beginner. What is most important is quick access to everything you need to make your life easier by using tiles and good options. Oh, sorry, I forget about making life easier. Forget to show you if you want to set up the app drawer or not. You have to get into the home and lock screen, and the first option in here is decide if you want to have it in a standard way, so you can move through the pages left and right, or you want to app drawer, so you can swipe up your finger and quickly search for all of the applications you have installed on your device. You can type here, for example, YouTube, and boom, within a second you have your application. So this is a very comfortable way to use your smartphone. This is not important, you can read it to yourself and decide what to do with it. Now let's make your life easier by making your quick access to the features, most important features for you, easier. So you have to open the tab menu and unroll this section over here. Like you can see, we have some sensor. I don't know why it's in here, so we will edit it. We have a Wi-Fi, brightness, volume bar, and tiles, 2 pages of tiles with quick access to some features. In here we have to press these 3 dots and edit tiles to rearrange this. So we don't want our sensors. I prefer to leave a Bluetooth in here. We can rearrange this by just moving our tiles in an order we want to use it, or we can just click on this red icon or green icon to add it, the tile to the tab menu. If you are done, then just get back and enjoy your fresh new tab menu that you want to use. I think that would be all for this video. You know how use some features, you know how to make your display personalized in a way you want. You know how to speed up your smartphone, make it more smoother, better, and also you know how to get a lot of quick access to some features on your device and how to change the basic options in here. So if I helped you, leave a like, comment, and also subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye and thank you for watching.